And in the same story, okay, the victim, the defendant details can lead to the identification of the victim. So here you give a reason, isn't it? Number one, isn't it? You give a reason there. So let's name this one maybe as A, B, C, D, and E. That means you gain a point for choosing the right question, right score, no. Or you disagree, you can say somehow you're not sure, still you give a reason why you're not sure, isn't it? Okay. So the different details can lead to the you agree. Right? Maybe you say you just agree here. So number B, it means you go below here. It means you come here. A, I disagree because you give reasons. B, a 4. I agree. I agree, give reasons. Okay. Then you go to C. The court, like the case was held in camera. Maybe you're not sure. This is an example. You go to, you see here, you give, I'm not sure on this. Well, you're looking in the story. Because provide. Then you come number D. The press was not allowed. Okay. The press should not have been allowed to cover the trial. Maybe you disagree. Okay. Maybe you have that's what we put here. You can't have two scores. One score for one, Okay. So the press should not have been allowed to cover that. That is D. In my view, the press should have been barred from covering the case. Okay. Reason, because you give reason, right? And finally, let's only have 5 of them. A, B, C, D, E. Let's say so we have do we have here? So we have there was a miscarriage of justice. Maybe you choose to strongly agree or whatever. Let's say agree. For so E, miscarriage of justice means it has been tainted, or it's tainted trial, right? This was attended trial. Attempted trial. Yeah, BCDA. This is true because you give reason. Okay. And then make voila. Then what do you do here? You here let me put A N D. Okay, I'm doing this one. This is a research type of kind of, okay? So this is a two, Ricket, yeah? Strong and disagree. This is, you are doing a research, yeah? So you have several reports, means you score them like that, eh? Okay? Or you're asking people, yes? One story, maybe you're asking 50 people, eh? So it means, on there you're scoring. That means this was been filled by one person, eh? That story agree and right, and they give reason below there, eh? Or they may not even give reason, eh? Or they give reason for each of them. Then you got another person like that, eh? Or it can be one just question like that, eh? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So you talk to 100 people. It means there are 100 of this, isn't it? Right? Hey, the 100 of this. Somebody will not answer. Somebody will answer them differently. And certainly you'll be talking to reporters. Okay, let me just for a moment. You face. Okay, there you go. So this is how it looks. So you know that when you put something at at SD, that was a 1, strong and disagree, isn't it? Or you can just put a mark, eh? Okay. So there, right? Let's see. So here it is total. Okay. So here we have 1, okay, 4, 3, 2, 4. Okay. We also have a total here. Um, 4 plus, so these are 4, isn't it? 4 plus 4? 8. Here is only 3, isn't it? Here it is only 2. Here it is 1. So 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. When you add from here, it will be the same. 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. So why does it give us that? Okay, here we should have put 4, isn't it? We put 14. So let's add again. What? 5, 8, 10, 14, isn't it? So when you add here, and then you add here, they should come here. So here, it would have been several people answering, isn't it? The total, if here it was, so it's a 14, right? Okay. What are we doing with a 14? There are how many items here? 5, isn't it? So to find the average, okay, let's find average, or what do you call mean, right? Mean. Is 14 divided by 5, isn't it? Yes, 14 divided by 5. What is it? 40 divided by 5 is what? Can you do that? 2.8, right? Okay. So 2.8 in general, what we have found is 2.8. Is this, so if you have on a scale of 1 up to 5, 1 up to 5. But 1, okay, let's say 1 is equal to SD, 2, D, N is equal to, 3 is equal to N, 4 is equal to D, A, isn't it? And 5 is equal to SA. Eh? So if you found average like 2.8, where does it belong? 2.8. Where is, between which numbers 2.8 there? N, isn't it? It's between, no, it's between D and N, isn't it? It's from 1 to 3, 1 to 3, isn't it? That's where it is, eh? Okay? You're lost? Yeah. We go on to 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, isn't it? Okay? Okay. So maybe you shouldn't have much trouble, right? What do we do? Because there are 5 points, ready? 5 points, ready? Okay. Okay. So from 1 to 5, 5 points, right? I want to show you something. 5 points. 1 to 5, right? What's the difference from 1 to 5? The difference from 1 to 5 is what? And then, guys, don't say, what's the difference from 1 to 5? But how many numbers are there between 1 to 5? 4, isn't it? Hey, why are you afraid? Eh? Okay. So, class. 5 minus 1. Okay? Check. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So if you're going to share 5 with 5, right? You want to follow your friend go by 5, right? Okay? So it is, okay. 4 divided by 5 is what? Is? Yes, yes. No probs. What do we get, guys? 4 divided by 5 is what? 0.8, right? I want you to know these things by force, right? So those are the class, we call it class width, okay? So it means the first number is 1, isn't it? That's our first number. It starts from 1, right? The next is 1 plus 0.8. What does it give us? 1.8. Eh? Okay. This side, to avoid making mistakes, we just add 1.81. Okay? Okay, don't worry. We just add that one. Then 1.08 plus 1.80 plus 0.8. What does it give us? Yes, that's a 1 point, what is it? 2.60. Okay, we want it to be 2. We want it to put this decimal places, right? Are we like that, right? We're doing that just to make sure that balance, right? Okay. So here, what do we write here? 2. No, 61 this side, right? 2.60 wait. In the to one to make it different, okay? Then 2.60 plus 0.8. What is it? 2.60 plus 0.8? 3.4. Grace, be careful. You must do this. Eh? No, 3.4. But this side is what? 3. This side is 3.4? 1. This side, okay? This side where we're adding a 1 on this side, right? Wow, this looks like. Okay. Then here 3.40 plus 0.8, what does it give us? This? No. 3.04 plus 0.8. No. Teresa, let me show you how we add. Eh? Check here, guys. Here we are. Eh? Can you see here? 3.40, isn't it? Is it 3.40? This one. You see point? Plus 0.8. Eh? It gives you what? 4.2. Okay? 4.2. And this side, what do we write? Yes, 4.21. 4.2 plus 0.8. What does it give us? This 5, isn't it? Yeah, 5. Okay, so you can see that from 1 to 1.8, it is SD, okay, and here it is D, here it is neutral, here it is agree, here it is strong and agree. So you see our 2.8, where does it belong? 2.8. It belongs where? Huh? N, isn't it? So you guessed right at first, you said it belongs between 2 and 3, isn't it? Okay. Okay. So it's a neutral. It means to you, your judgment in general, you find that you're not very sure about the extent of the report. You have judged at a neutral level. Well, you have, so you can conclude that I think neutral this report is, I'm not very sure whether it is agreeing to the reporting restrictions on the children trial. Okay? Yeah. So I will share you this. Yeah? I also give you an assignment. Assignment 2 was this, like this one. But take note of this. You can also put this one in the table, like this. Okay. Are you going to give you an assignment? Follow? Share with me. Share with me, please. I want to post it, Or 50 plus 1, Yeah, just share me how it is written. I want to post it, Yeah. Share. But for what? For okay, but take note of this one as well. Yeah.